Yeah, your girl back. I just got my lashes done. Period. That bitch again. But my trip is like in like 3 days, so hopefully my lashes like are good until then. If not, I'm gonna get my sisters to bit me up. I mean Tiffany, because she gonna get my lashes. Like if if one come out and something, I'm gonna tell her to fix it for me. So yeah, I got shit I gotta do today. I gotta go to work. I gotta go see my brother. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that. Yeah, but I'm pretty. Period. And I'm gonna see y'all soon. My next appointment should be my nails and my toes. So yeah. Alright y'all. Good morning. So I forgot to show y'all my nails, but this is my nails. Get a close up on it. Period. And I got my toes done. I don't feel like showing my toes, but they're cute. They're French tip. But I'm gonna try to see if I can show y'all later. But these are the nails. Period. And then I'm gonna get my hair done like in a couple hours, and then my makeup. And I'm gonna show y'all. Period. So yeah, period. Catch y'all later. Okay, y'all. So far, putting stuff in my bag, like my headphones, my charger, iPad. You know, I keep these on me too. I might not even need it, but I know my bag is a mess right now, but I'll figure that out later. And then my suitcase right here, period. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my toes, my little piggies. They're cute or whatever. Period. So yeah, I'm about to take a nap before I go get my hair done, because I got a couple hours left. So I pray my hair looks good. This is my first time going to this girl, so wish me good luck. I feel like it'll be good. Yep. So I'm ready to take a nap, and then I'm gonna be on my way to get my hair done. Period. Period. The hair is done, nails done, lashes done, like on a whole, like stop playing. Period. Just got the makeup done, y'all. Period. Kelly. You're gonna have to count it. My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out. My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out. Come here. Tiffany. Yo, we about to board in a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna take me a nice little nap. And I'm gonna put my eye patches on because, yeah. Okay. I don't even think I recorded when we was at the New York airport. But when we got on the plane, that felt like one of the longest plane rides in a while. Because I was crying baby. I was not comfortable at all. But at least there was a TV, but like I was barely watching it.
Like we took too long. Too tall. Keep bumping in my seat. Knees don't fit. Like
they gave us food, of course. Got to.
They fit the queens.
Lacing up. Tell you that. Yo, what's up?
Muy buenos días, estimados pasajeros. Desde la cabina de mando le habla su primer oficial, Eibar Pimentel, junto a su capitán, Rubén Alonso Castro Ferrari. En nombre de
40
Copa
minutes, and then we'll
Airlines y su
be at our
excelente tripulación, le
destination.
damos una cordial bienvenida a su vuelo 192
Happy birthday
con
to my
destino a la
best
ciudad de San José, Costa Rica.
Okay, we're here finally. This is one of the rooms. We only have 2 rooms, but Kelly's gonna take this one. Period. There's a bathroom. Yeah, I got the Wi-Fi. Yeah.
We in here, yo. That's cute. See.
The view is crazy. Period. We're on the bus to the excursion. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Big 23. Stop playing with a bitch. Real bitch holiday. Real bad bitch holiday, actually. They gave us our little breakfast and all that. 2-hour drive. See y'all when we get there. Yeah.
Confirm Los Guayabos Biological Reserve. Los Guayabos protect.
I'll share that with her. I have some notes.
Thank you. Yeah. Y'all see that?
We out there.
Bad bitches only, really. Look at the curls there. Y'all not seeing the curls. Yo, so far it's been a good birthday. We was on the boat, we drank, we ate. Now we at the we're still on the beach or whatever. We did our TikToks and all that, took our pictures. You know, just having fun. Period. And I hate when people are like, oh, let me know when you get back. For what? And what? And then what? You wanna see me? No, you could have seen me before I traveled. No. But this is the view, y'all. Yep.
You got to know we grab it. Pack is extra sloppy. Don't I love my vegetables? Extra cheese and broccoli. Don't young lay like to kick it like karate. Don't I be with J Money serving everybody?
Everybody seems so fake. My tummy's feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure, I'm nervous. I'm in a taxi man on the radio. And the JG song was on. And the JG song was on. And the JG song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterfly fly away. Not in my head like that. Moving my hips like that. The butterfly fly away. Not in my head like that. I had you put it down.
It's recorded here too.
Wait for the part.
Alright, hold on. Morning, y'all. So the camera dies, so I have to use my phone. Ghetto.
Just 5 minutes away.
We're on the
I
way
think they gave us a 15-minute grace period.
to the excursion, ATV, and horseback riding. We're doing. We're running late. Yep. But gonna have fun today. My voice. My hair. So, yeah. But yesterday was fun. It was just took all day, like all day. So yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all later when we're there probably. Oh, this is the bikini room. So yeah.
Right now is the Arenal Dam. Arenal Lake is an artificial lake. Well, the government built in 1974. So, well, this one is pretty small, as you can see. The name is Rio Grande, like in Texas. It's not the same Rio.
At the ATV.
Give you some clout for your vlog.
I don't need quite off you bitches. You see the view?
Stop. Stop. They love doing that. Oh my gosh, that's
I know. I thought it was real too. Y'all see that?
scared me.
It looks real. So we're at the little river. We're still doing the ATV, but we parked here so we can swim a little bit and have fun, take pictures and all that. So y'all hear my voice? Still gone.
On the sex, I like it, I fly. So what I do, told I rap, and I like to get fly. I just took 20 bulls, ran them thirds, money look good on me. Let me get bitch out my jaws, out of pop, but I see a hood on me. Been next with them buttons, bitch, go in the bucket. Pull up, I was a child, I'm dumb. Send that bitch to John High, I'm done. Military can't stop, shooting the shot, but go for blood. I'm lot of way she do it, beat it. Poor nigga now, back, I roll the tail, we be sliding.
Alright, Tony, how do you recommend? What do you
10 out of 10, best ATV trip I done.
Really?
Yeah, because there's so much more water. And it was no dust.
Mine in DR was it was like that too. So this was your first time, y'all first time doing like the water ones.
Mud / water.
Yeah.
Right
It was fun though.
Yeah. Ooh, that was
But we about to eat now and then. Yeah.
I'm gonna get a drink. Hopefully they take part. Bring old fashioned.
I know.
Miami Vice.
I know how to make damn near all them drinks.
I'ma still ask Mike.
Can I get the broccoli and the carrots too?
Yes. Can I get some white rice, please?
And then is it salmon or fish? Yeah, I get the fish and then the chicken.
Yeah, brown rice, please.
Thank you.
Potatoes.
Rita didn't want to get the plantain.
Hello, horsey.
Yeah, Jackson.
What's his name?
Conejo.
Onejo?
Yeah. Okay.
cosa, según el Waze, llego ahí como faltando días para...
Good morning, y'all. Voice still gone, still a baddie, you know. We're on like the 3rd day, I think. Y'all know my camera died. Well, our camera died. About to go get some breakfast because yesterday we had Smash Burger, and I found out that they got breakfast. Ooh. It's just like I think 2 different spots. It's not big. On the back. Yesterday was fun. What did we do yesterday? I forgot. Oh, ATV, horseback riding. Went out to eat after. But the places that we were stopping, like the guy was taking us, was cool. Like good chicken. The excursion had good food. Like, huh? Quiet when I'm talking. It's like that. But yeah, we about to go eat some breakfast, and after that, we're gonna take pictures. Go to the gym probably. You know, today's our chill day. Like, we need to relax. Like, relax, cause we did excursion after excursion, bitch. You know. But okay, catch y'all later. Adios. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I don't know what we did a lot today already. A lot. What did we come out here for? Oh, went to Dunkin', then we went to Mushroom. Where did we go today? Dunkin'. Then we walked around, went to Forever 21, walked around again. I don't eat those, so I don't know. Then I'm gonna pee up Ching after. I don't like my curls today, so I'm gonna redo it tonight. Air dry it, because I blow dry it. So, but the places are really nice.
You see what you like?
I'm looking at She said she wants
I'm gonna pull this string.
I just want to break it down.
And you like lift it up.
Ooh. Are you trying?
Yes.
She thought I was over
Wait,
exaggerating.
I think. All right, so this gotta go in here.